One thing I'm most proud of is, I would say, coming up with the dance team, because that was something I had to fight for and that took time. Hi guys, my name is Kellionna. The school I'll be attending in the fall is Alabama State University, and my major is biology. A course that I took was actually the EMT class, which gave me hands-on experience to know that I wanted to go into the medical field, because I was actually able to work with things hands-on. So that gave me a great experience on why I want to go into the medical field. I was a founder of my school major dance team, the Sensational and Dazzling dolls, and I was co-captain. What I liked about it, that it was more than just a dance team, it was a sisterhood. I got to talk with the girls one-on-one, I got to help my coach, I got to help with dances, and be more in-depth and hands-on with the team. A person that made a difference, I'll also say my advisor, Miss Watkins, because every time I needed someone to talk to, or if I was just having one of those days, she was there to actually listen to me, and she didn't judge, and she let me express myself. The challenges that I may have faced was really my mental health with losing loved ones that I was close with, and how I overcame that was going to therapy or actually talking about it, because I noticed when you actually talk about your feelings, they get better instead of trying to hold it in. So that's something I've overcome. If I could go back in time and give my freshman self some advice, I would say to put yourself out there. Don't be afraid to talk to people and make new friends and start connections, because that is what's going to help you in your high school journey.
What has been the best part of your Centennial High School experience?
My best part is the events, being as starting a team and being able to make a difference, and actually people be oh, I was wanting to see the band and the dance team. That kind of made me proud of something that I started. And people should come because it's fun, you get the great experience. You just have to meet the right people and put yourself with the right groups. Others should value their education, because you don't always get these chances often, so I would say take everything that you can, every opportunity or resources that you're able to take. I would say take it, because you don't get this every day. I value my education because I know many students that look like me, or people that look like me, are not able to further their education and have barriers that most people don't overcome. So I know with me taking my education very serious, it's a big impact in my community and people around me.